So how would it exactly, help in addressing the key challenges that are being faced by water utilities today?
So we are a very siloed industry. Even within a small plant like mine, we have a few people that are on duty at any given time for any department, but there's very little communication between those departments, even just among a
Mhm.
few people. And it's something that has been recurring through several utilities that I've spoken with. It's just that lack of communication and that lack of transparency where everybody isn't really on the same page. And what blockchain is, because it is a distributed ledger and it is a ledger that is immutable, because anything that goes onto it needs to be approved by the consensus of everybody involved. That is a new way for utilities to communicate. So any challenges where you need to get information to people who are working from home or working remotely from a different place within that facility. There are some utilities, especially larger ones in New Jersey, that have multiple sites that they need to keep track of. So anything trying to get information in a shared space where everybody is trusting that information that otherwise they wouldn't have immediate and immutable access to, that's where blockchain is really going to start to shine, just on its nature of being distributed. Throw in the addition of smart contracts, which is basically, a giant, for simplicity's sake, a giant if-then statement. If this happens, if this criteria is met, then this is going to automatically happen. If you have a distributed ledger and you couple that with smart contracts, which are also common in many blockchain platforms, then you're able to start having things automatically executed. So you have a shared ledger, you know that it's accurate, you know that everybody has access to it. You can then start to automate responses to the information being uploaded to that shared ledger.